Hi everyone, I hope this finds you well. If you're like me, you're quarantining at home with your kids and you're trying to find a homeschooling routine that works for you. So I wanted to share in this video what we've been doing for our morning circle and just some tips and how to set it up and what you'll need. And what I keep telling myself is that it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm trying to have a lot of grace and flexibility for myself, for my kids, everybody in my house. It's just a very unique and stressful time. So just take it with what you can, do what you can, and try to make the best of what you've got. With that in mind, I wanted to say that our circle time is not perfect, but it has been meeting some educational needs, and it is a great way to spend time with your family and your kids. And so for our circle time, we've been doing 5 main parts. We've been doing a greeting song. We've been doing Who's Here. We've been doing calendar. We've been doing alphabet, and we've been doing our feelings. Some other popular things that you can include in your circle time are seasons and weather. But for now, I wanted to keep my circle time very short. We do it under 10 minutes. Both of my kids are young, 5 and 7. They both have special needs, so they do require a little extra support. And also, I just haven't done this before with them, so it's just good to keep in mind to start short and simple, and to keep the expectations low because they're kids, they're stressed out too, and they just need shorter times to do stuff like this. So this type of circle time is really good for preschool students, for maybe even kindergarten students, and special education students who are in elementary school. You will need to do a few things before you start. I have been using what I have at my house. I have not gone to the store to go get any of this, and that is my recommendation to you. Just use what you've got. It doesn't have to be perfect like I said. That's my kid next to me, not having fun. So use what you've got, and I'll show you what I've been using. I do have a dry erase board, but I don't have an expo marker at my house, so I have been using Sharpie, which does not come off, which can be a good thing or a bad thing. So if you do want to take it off, you will need to use rubbing alcohol or hand sanitizer. But this is basically my setup. I have our names. I don't even have magnets. I've been using masking tape to put stuff up like that. But here we go. Who's here? Calendar, feelings, and then behind me is our easel that my kids use, and I have the days of the week on that. Other than that, I've been using, my oldest son right next to me here is playing with it, an alphabet puzzle that's been very used, but it's what we've got, and it works. Thank you for waiting. The other things I would suggest using is I have some beach towels. That would be the puzzle falling over. I've got some beach towels. This is where they sit at the circle time. This is their designated spots. It's what I have. It's easy. It's their marker. They know that that's where they need to sit. You're doing good waiting, Ben. I'm almost done.
Yeah,
Almost done. I promise. Almost, I promise. So after that, I use 3 reinforcers, and this is very important that they understand that they get reinforced for sitting with me and doing this and earning things. So I do a lot of verbal praise. That's my first reinforcer. I use edibles, so I will do chocolates, cereal. We have Apple Jacks here at my house. That is another great reinforcer just to do throughout the circle time. And then at the end, they get their big reinforcer. So that's when they know, okay, I am sitting here, I'm working with Mom, and at the end of this, I get to watch PJ Masks or whatever is really reinforcing for your child. And And then other than that, I would just say if you have another adult in the house who can help you, I would ask them. Like, this is just 10 minutes of your day. Can you come sit with me and the kids? Just sit behind them and make sure that they're listening and redirect whenever they're off in another world or trying to go somewhere else. So if you have somebody else in the house, try to get them to sit behind them and help you out. It will just make for a more smoother circle time. But other than that, I think that's all we've got. The next part of this video is our actual circle time. And I hope that this helps. If you have any questions or want to leave me any comments, I would be thrilled to see what other people think or what they're doing. And with that being said, here's our circle time. Family circle time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Where is Liam? Where is Liam? There he is. Where is Finnegan? Where is Finnegan? Where is Finnegan? There he is. Yay! Okay, can you come sit behind them and make sure that they're staying in the circle? Good. Thank you. All right, we're going to do Who is Here Today? Who is this?
Lima.
It's Liam. Liam, can you put that you are here with Mom and Dad today? Good job. Good job. Who is this? Finn. That's me. Good. Can you touch Finn? Good job, Finn. All right. Next, we're going to do our days of the week. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here's our days. We're going to start with Sunday. Days of the week. Can you clap? Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Woo-hoo! Good job. Let's look and see what is today. Today is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Good.
Today is Wednesday.
Ben, can you say Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Good. If today is Wednesday,
Wednesday.
what was yesterday?
Wednesday.
Yesterday was
Oh,
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Good.
Tuesday.
If yesterday was Tuesday and today is Wednesday, what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Thursday.
Thursday.
Can you say Thursday?
Thursday.
Good trying, Ben. Good job. I think you guys earned a little treat. Thank you for listening to Mommy.
I need chocolate.
You want a chocolate?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for listening and participating. So we're going to do our date today. I don't know where that came from. Okay. Good sitting, Ben. Today is...
It's recording this.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's do this one. Yeah. Today is Wednesday. What's our month?
Wednesday.
March 25th. Let's do our months of the year. Can we pat our legs? Pat our legs. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. Good job. What month are we in? We are in the month of March. That's right. Good job, Ben and Liam. Good job answering. March. And then today is the 25th. 25. Good job, Finn. Can we count to 25? Let me get my marker really quick, and we're going to count to 25. Let's count. Are you ready? Yeah. Okay. Let's start with 1. 1. Count with me.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Wow, you guys counted all the way to 25. Good job. Let's say the whole day. Today is, Liam, sit on your fish.
Sit on the
Good
fish.
job. Today is Wednesday, March 25th, 2020. Oh, we need a tissue, Daddy. Good job participating, Lucan. Do you need a chocolate? Okay. Next, we're going to do our ABCs. Are you ready? A, B, C, D. Sing it with me. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good. Very good job. One more thing, and then we earned our 3 Little Pigs story. Okay. What is this? We are going to do our feelings today. How do you feel today?
Happy.
Liam feels happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Finn, how do you feel today? Do you feel happy, sad, grumpy, excited, or sleepy? Sleepy. Finn feels sleepy today. If you're sleepy and you know it, take a nap. If you're sleepy and you know it, take a nap.
Be quiet.
If you're sleepy and you know it, then you're feeling so sure. If you're sleepy and you know it, take a nap. I'm awake.
Awake.
Daddy, how do you feel today? Happy, sad, grumpy, excited?
Excited.
If you're excited and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
Excited and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
If you're excited and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're excited and you know it, shout hooray.
Hooray!
Which one? How does Liam feel again today? What did we not do yet?
Grumpy.
Oh, if you're grumpy and you know it, stomp your feet. Grumpy. If you're grumpy and you know it, stomp your feet. Grumpy. If you're grumpy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're grumpy and you know it, stomp your feet. Grumpy. Good job. What did we earn? We did our circle time.
We did it.
Now we're all done.
All done.
Liam can have the 3 Little Pig story.
Yeah.
Good job,
Good
Liam.
job.
High five.